Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am continuing in my journey with the light switch covers. I believe this is part 4. We're going to be doing one light switch cover today, and I am attempting to do camo inspired alcohol ink. So I am using 2 colors. I have the Havana brown and I have rainforest green. And I'm going to put it on with a brush so I can have it look more like alcohol ink. So just wanted to show you my glove. I have used this glove 3 times already for alcohol ink, and it just has a little alcohol ink on it. So I'm just reusing it. Just take it off carefully so you don't turn it inside out, and you can really use your glove. And really, I just need one on my left hand. So, all right. So I'm gonna put some of the alcohol ink in my palette. Put the brown. And I actually might put some directly on here too. Actually, I probably will. And then just use this supplement after I've already got it going. All right, so I'm using these 2 colors, and I'm using the 91% isopropyl alcohol. And just so you know, it is hard to get in a lot of places right now, but you can get it from Rite Aid, order online, and have it shipped to you. The shipping is kind of expensive, but the alcohol they're not charging much for. It's like $1 something a bottle. And so order several bottles and just pay 1 shipping price. That's what I did. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and put some color down just to start. Then I'm gonna put my alcohol down. All right. Woo! It just kind of rolled all off. So let me just put some more alcohol on. There we go. Maybe it'll stay on a little better this time. Who knows? All right, this is not going very gracefully. I'm having one of those days where I make crazy messes for no reason. And I normally don't get alcohol all over this hand, and I already have done that. So how crazy is that? I have made several mistakes today. I probably should walk away from all the art. And yet here I go, plowing through. Okay, this already looks more like camo than my other one did. I'll show y'all in a minute. Oh, so I thought the other one was pretty, but it just didn't look like camo. So y'all want to see, I did 2 tiles because I was playing around with how to make it look like camo and didn't want to ruin a light switch cover, but this time I just decided to go for it. Let me show you my 2 tiles I did. So I did this one, and while they are really pretty, they do not look like camo, really. They might look like the woods, but they don't look like camo per se. All right, so I'm just gonna keep putting the color back up here, just kind of splotchy, like camo. You'll see this is looking much more like camo, I think. What do you guys think? Yeah, so the people I'm doing this for have a hunting room or like trophy room, and it was my idea because they gave me no guidelines or direction. They're like, just make something. And I was like, well, would he like a camo one? And she's like, yeah. Of course. Okay, I think this is going to be a quick one. I think that pretty much looks like camo. And I didn't even really need this, but just so you guys know what this is a Ranger Inks air blower. It's made for alcohol inks, but I used it with other things too. And it reminds me of one of those nose suckers if y'all have babies. You know, the little suckers you stick up in their nose and you suck the snot out. That's what it looks like to me. But it works wonderfully. I love it. So even if it does look like a snot sucker. All right. I think that looks pretty camo. Make sure I've got every spot covered. All right. I am happy with that. All right, guys. We're done. Nice quickie. Let me bring you in for a close-up. All right, so this is number 11 of the 13. So now we just have 2 more to go. I think that looks really pretty much just like camo. I hope he likes it. 2 colors, the Havana brown and the rainforest green of the Pinata Inks and Isopropyl Alcohol and a paintbrush. That's it. Pretty easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.